Meaning of GHQ.
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 GHQ. GHQ is an acronym that stands for General Health Questionnaire. It is a screening tool used to assess an individual's mental health and identify potential psychological problems. The questionnaire consists of a series of questions that measure various aspects of mental health, including anxiety, depression, somatic symptoms, and social dysfunction. The results of the GHQ can be used to determine the need for further evaluation by a mental health professional or to track changes in an individual's mental health over time. Overall, the GHQ is a useful tool for identifying mental health issues and promoting early intervention and treatment.